Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I might sound like I'm echoing a little bit, but I'm in my mom's bathroom because I got another mystery box today. And Jonathan's home because it's his day off, so he's in our room. So, I'm in here. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. I can hear myself echoing though, so I won't know. All right, so this is the, tell me which one you are. This is the Deluxe mystery box. I have previously done the Supreme and the Premium. So if you haven't checked those out, pause this video and go check those out because those should be already uploaded. And without further ado, let's open this one up. All right, so far, I haven't gotten anything that I already have other than the mini Jawbreaker palette. I got that twice in the Premium and, not Premium, I think this one's a Premium. In the Deluxe one, in the Premium, this is the Deluxe one. I'm all over the place. I got it in the Premium one and the big box, but that's because I've already purchased it myself, so I purchased that when the Jawbreaker collection went live. So that I'm not too annoyed with. I think it's one really cool that like we finally get a palette because people have been asking for palettes. So I think that's fine. Not that really big of a deal for me because I can give it away to giveaway or family or friends. So without further ado, to open this mystery box, let's get right on into the video. All right, so I am opening this box up. It's a little difficult. Okay. I'm seeing something. I'm so excited. Oh my God, okay. We need to calm down. We need to calm down because I've already looked in it. Okay, first things first, I don't even have one of these, okay? I am a freaking avid Jeffree Star fan. I am a huge fan of his freaking makeup company, and I don't even have a liquid frost, and your girl just got one. We got it in the shade Goddess, so let's open her up. I opened her the wrong way. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at this. All right, are we swatching? We are swatching. Give me 1 second. I need to turn my phone on Do Not Disturb. Okay. This is what it looks like. How do you open this? Okay, you open it like this. Ooh, she's thick. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit on my hand. I didn't put much. I put this amount on. We're going to rub it. This is it right here. My goodness, that's gorgeous. I thought that was gonna be super dark because that's what it looked like, but it's actually like very pretty. Then I can actually wear this like when your girl's as pale as she is right now. All right, well that's sick. Some crap. We got a t-shirt. All right, because it had one, you gotta pick your size. So this is a size small. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. We're just opening it. This is the t-shirt. This is the t-shirt. Look at it. It says can't relate, but the hand, instead of it being normal, is a skeleton hand. Look at that. That is so sick. This is one of my favorite shirts. I wear these to bed. Pajama shirt. So this is sick. I really like this. All right, I'm living for this. Okay, next. We got, where are you? We got a gloss. I don't have a gloss either, people. Okay, so this is in the shade Sky High. Oh, this is the one that I wanted that I just never bought. Oh, look at this packaging. First off, look at this packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. But look at this color. Look at this color. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells minty. Oh my god. So good. Okay. Oh. Oh my goodness. So that is it swatched right there. I'm gonna get it into the light. Oh my goodness, guys. That looks freaking insane. It's got like a green reflex to it. Oh, okay. That's sick. We have a Velour liquid lipstick in Soft Serve. This color is gorgeous. This is what that shade looks like. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is beautiful. I'm such a sucker for nudes, I swear. Oh, and this is a pinky nude. So if you are into pinky nudes, I would definitely tell you to get Soft Serve because this is gorgeous. That is beautiful. It's like pinky peach. It's more of a peach. Let's go with peach. Are we going with peach or pink? Tell me in the comment section down below. I believe it's more peachy. That's just me. All right, next we got Candy Freeze. Okay, this is the Lip Ammunition and Candy Freeze. I think I have all of his crazy colors that he just came out with. Oh, because of this mystery box, because I bought one on my own and then I got two from the past one. So this is in Candy Freeze. That's what that looks like. This is from the summer collection. So let's open her up. Look at this packaging though. Completely gorgeous. All right, look at this. Look at this. Can you see the freaking glitter? Ooh. All right. Where are we gonna swatch it? I can fit it right here. Yeah. Oh my guys, it's so creamy. I literally can't look at that. Oh my goodness. I literally can't. I can't. Okay, so I wanted to pause the camera real quick because this next item I'm about to show you, I already own. And I wanted to grab the one that I own so I could swatch it for you instead of swatching a new palette. We got another mini breaker palette. I'm not mad, okay? Like, you're probably gonna get people watching this being like, you've got 3 of these in this palette, you already own it, or like, shouldn't you be upset? Like, no, it's a mystery box. It's literally a mystery box. You don't know what you're getting. This is the, like, gamble you play when you freaking want a Jeffree Star product, okay? When you want to do a mystery box, especially if you're someone like me who basically has a bunch of Jeffree Star stuff already. So this doesn't bother me. I have plenty of friends and family who would want this, and I'm also putting one in for a giveaway, okay? I also think this is very cool that he's giving away the mini breaker palettes because everyone has been complaining that there's been no palettes in the boxes, and literally every mystery box I've gotten, I don't know if this is for anybody else, but any mystery box I've gotten, I got a mini breaker palette. So you're asking for a palette, he's giving you a palette, and honestly this palette is bomb because I obviously bought one for myself when it first came out. Okay, I don't know why the camera literally just went unfocused. And my box, it's like around my face, is jumping all over the screen. So this is what the mini breaker palette looks like. As you can tell, she has been used. I love this thing. The bubblegum shade is literally my fave. I'm for some reason in this kick where I like to have like a pink eyeshadow look, like very subtle, but like cute, if you know what I mean. So I am going to swatch these for you guys so that you can see them, even though I've swatched them in every video so far, but that's just something that I think should happen. They should be swatched. We're gonna figure out how to swatch these though, because sometimes I'm not good at swatching people, okay? I'm just being completely honest. So we're just gonna go in order of the palette all the way till we get to Hot Fudge. We're gonna start with Double Scoop and go to Hot Fudge. So I'm doing Double Scooped, Orange Crush, Foreplay, and Oral. Now I would say the thing is with the mini breaker is that a bunch of his shades are just buildable. Like, you just need to build them up and you'll be fine. like foreplay needs to be built up a little bit more, but I'd rather have to build up a product than you get the pigment right away because it's easier to blend out. But that's just my opinion, how I like it. So this right here is Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, and Oral. Oral has these blue and purple iridescent undertones, and I really do like those. I need to get a makeup wipe, so it's a good thing I'm in my mom's bathroom. Okay, so I love this. I really am hoping, have you guys been watching the Jeffree Star Shane collab that's been going on, like the videos? One, ya girl. He's in the second episode, which I think is the coolest thing ever. I still can't believe it. Like, it's literally like a dream come true. My two favorite YouTubers, and I don't even care if I'm credited. Like, I don't care. The fact that I'm just in it, the fact that like Shane like watched one of my videos to put that together is literally insane. But I think the mini breaker palette is honestly perfect for this whole mystery box because it's miniature and you get bomb shades from him and it's great quality. It's just amazing. So next I'm doing Purple Punch, Slice, Bubble Gum, Bite Me, and we're gonna get Hot Fudge, but we're gonna do a thumb, and that might work, it might not work, we don't know. And the thumb swatch wasn't bad. I'm just gonna go over it because it's literally in like the wrinkles of my hand. So we're just gonna go over that because it kind of like skipped in a few, but that's not how his eyeshadows are at all. Like, that's not his brand. All right, so starting here we have Purple Punch, Slice Me, Bubblegum is this purple, is this pink? Okay, gotta move closer. Bubblegum's this shade. This is Bite Me, and that is Hot Fudge. Those shades are gorgeous. Like I said, I love this. I'm honestly though, when it comes to Jeffree Star products, I'm biased because I love his stuff and I believe in the brand. So if you want to call that being biased, I guess so, but I'm also, though, it is a mystery box, so I'm not going to be ungrateful for getting 3 palettes in the same thing. I'm just not going to be dumb about it and swatch every single one of them when I can give them to family or give them away to you guys. Because why would I do that when I already have my own? That's my little spiel on that. Next, I see another freaking Halloween item. So in the first mystery box, you got one Halloween item, which was a liquid lipstick, if you haven't noticed, but he said that in his thing, so I'm not spoiling anything. He said it would be a liquid lipstick. And then the big Supreme box, you got 4, which was, I'm not gonna tell you what's all in that one, because you have to watch my past video, or got it yourself, because I don't wanna ruin that one, because he didn't mention what 4 are in that one. This one, guys, there was 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. There's a skin frost, guys. It's called Mystery Frost. Oh my god. This is what it looks like, so I guarantee that's what the color is. But look at that detailing. There's literally a little freaking ghost on it. Oh, this packaging though is bomb. Okay, are you guys ready? I can't. I'm so excited. What do I do with this box? Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, we're not gonna look. We're not gonna look. We're not gonna look. I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna show you first. Oh my, no! Guys, look at this. I know I kind of like looked when I showed you, but oh, it's got black in it. It's got gold in it. It's, oh my goodness. This is bomb. And it's literally called Mystery Frost. I can't. This thing's sick. Oh my gosh, okay, we're gonna swatch. You can get the little bit of the black in it. Holy crap, okay, where are we swatching? Where are we swatching this? Where are we? Oh Okay, we're gonna swatch this like right. Guys, that's it right there. Right there. I gotta swatch it on my other hand because I got no more room. No more room over here, but this is what it looks like. It's right here. Okay, I need to do it on my other hand. Hold on. That literally was like so anticlimactic. That didn't even give the swatch justice. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm trying to figure this out. Can I get here? Okay, yeah, we're doing there. Okay, we're re-swatching it. We're doing a big old swatch. Okay, that's what the swatch looks like. I'm gonna get up close. Ow. Hello, don't mind me. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. This is it. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. That's literally sick. This pan is sick. Like, look, I'll get up close to it. The black in it, the other, like the orange and the gold. Oh my goodness, this. I just literally made the freaking box worth it. I'm not kidding. I'm a little dramatic, we all know this, but like, I can't. That's so gorgeous. Just so freaking gorgeous. And make sure I don't get stuff all over me, as I did yesterday. All right, and then last thing we got is a mirror. All right, I gotta open these. Now I'm pretty sure this is the same mirror that comes in the bottom, the big one, but, oh geez. Bam. So what this looks like, this is beautiful. I love this. This is sick. This is insane. I really do love this. This is, I can't. That's sick. I love how there's like a special mirror in here. And this was the packaging. I didn't show you, I'm sorry. But this was the packaging for the mirror. I still can't get over that highlighter. I can't believe this. This was an awesome box. And I'm not just saying that. I thought this box was sick. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. Literally the only thing I got that I've already gotten is the mini breaker palette, which that's the only thing I've gotten dupes through 3 palettes. So 3 palettes, 3 boxes, which isn't bad in my part. I don't think it is. Like, some people probably be like, that's ridiculous, but like, I don't think so. So this is pretty sick. We got 3 items that are only in this mystery box, which is sick. And I don't know what to say. This is just awesome. I really do love this. I love his mystery boxes. I can't wait for his holiday ones. I'll probably only get one for the holiday one though, because last year the holiday one was more money than the past ones, unless he's keeping it the prices that he is now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go check out my other mystery boxes, any of them, because I've done every single mystery box he has released. This is just my first time buying 3 of them to see what else I've gotten. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, like I said, I think for the 4th or 3rd time. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy mystery boxes. Let me know in the comment section down below what mystery boxes you got. And I will see you guys in our next video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and join the fam. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!